Yeah, I already took him out to go potty. You have to go put him away.
No, he's sleepy baby.
I know he's sleepy, EBBB, but he has to go sleepy somewhere else.
He's sleepy here.
Are you gonna sleep next to him?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah, we can spoon.
Oh. I mean, he's really cute. He has to go sleepy somewhere else.
He doesn't want to.
He's gonna wake up in the middle of the night if he sleeps here.
Oh, maybe. He's doing his best sleeping impression.
I don't think it's an impression. I think he's actually sleeping.
No. He's pretending. There we go. Alright. Oh, okay. Alright. We got him all forklifted here.
Go put him in his hammock. Aww. See you later, EBBB. Bye. Thank you.